Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So Bitcoin, this is insane. All the choppiness, all the ups and downs, the roller coaster ride Bitcoin is experiencing right now. I told you guys exactly what's about to happen, and it's looking like it's about to play out to the T. As we came down from the $50,000 range, we've been talking Bitcoin coming down to 2018 all-time high of 20K. Then we said it would break that, come down to 19, 18, and then once it came to 18, if it broke 18,200, we was going to have a free fall all the way back down to around $10,000, $11,000 per Bitcoin. But before we made that next move, being for the fact that 20,000 is a sweet spot, that's a major spot to where bulls could possibly take back over when we go back up in the uptrend, and bears can also take over when we crash hard. In which the economy and everything that's dictating the markets, a lot of people is aware that we definitely is about to go down to the downside, guys. But like I told you guys, be prepared for any type of shock waves. And the shock wave would be seeing Bitcoin spike up 10 grand, right? Or 13,000, right? Just to come right back down them type of gains, losing all the whole 13,000, 10,000 that it run up, just to go right back even way lower to that, then go down to that 10, $11,000 range after people, more loans, more people get trapped in from buying at these levels and thinking, oh man, this easy money from here. I ain't got to experience no pain, thinking it's gonna go by now at 20 and it's gonna be 30 next week. It's gonna be 30 next month, 40 next month. You know, thinking it ain't possible for it to even go down anymore. So a lot of people will get caught up, trapped in, and whenever they see, they try to make a 10, 20,000 off Bitcoin, they end up losing 10 off Bitcoin from buying at 20, it going down to 10, and now you lost 10, you down 10 if you sell at that price. But being for the fact it's a lot of people that just want short-term gratification and just in and out, they will be probably end up selling for that loss, being for the fact that once it get there, it could possibly even drop some more. Nobody knows exactly how low it can go. But I already told you guys my lowest price point target for Bitcoin is around nine, maybe even $8,000. I'm expecting it to come to 10, but if we was to say worst case, worst scenario, once it got there, more people even be, from all the demand that's going to come in and the market psychological points that's going to have to go into factor, we can see that it could possibly drop another 2K after hitting 10, just to try and mess up those people psychological points. And a lot of articles of Bitcoin dead and Bitcoin going to zero, a lot of that will put fear out there, even though it's looking cheap and everybody's saying they'll buy it now. But once it's at that price and fear is put out there and people making it seem as if it's over, like it's dying, like they do every single time, every cycle, in 2018 and 2014 and 2012, when the Bitcoin hit its peak and crashed and lost majority of its gains, everybody made it seem as if it's over, it's never coming back, it's dead, it was a scam. And that's why some people would say, well, dang, how people is not going to be excited to buy at those levels or intrigued and ready to buy? Because they're going to be scared from thinking, fear, thinking it's over, thinking it's game over for it. So anyways, guys, my opinion, I don't believe it's game over for Bitcoin. You need to do more research and understand the technology behind Bitcoin and how rare Bitcoin is and how no more Bitcoin can be made. Unlike other shit coins and cryptos that everybody be hyping up and talking about, that there's, plenty of, the supplies in the trillions, and, it's just worthless. But anyways, as we know, guys, I do believe Bitcoin is going to make that huge pullback, but I wouldn't be surprised if we broke above 22,500 and spiked up crazy before doing so, just because I know how the psychological points and the market makers, how they like to manipulate that price, trap in more loans before doing something drastic, guys. So be aware of that. You see how we just bounced, broke under 20,000, came down to 18,000 level. It's ready, it's show enough ready to come down to that 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, $10,000 range. But before doing so, see, I want to continue to play games. Go from 18,000 just earlier today and shot back up to 20, almost 21,000, just like that. That's $4,000-$5,000 on the share price. You just swinging, like really playing. So you already know, guys. Like I say, I wouldn't be surprised if it break above 22.5 and shoot off 5, 6, 7 more thousand, just to come right back down, test the 20,000 level, break it, and come down hard. So be prepared, guys. That's just my opinion on it, and I do believe it's going to play out exactly like that to the T. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.